This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Google Slides. So if you want to make beautiful minimalist presentations using Google Slides, a few different places you can actually get Google Slides. So I'm right here on the Google Workspace page right here. So we've got this URL. It's a bit of a mouthful. I will put all of the URLs, all of the links that we discuss here in this video in the video description just below this video. So this is the first place you can get Google Slides directly from Google Workspace. And then over here, we also have the Apple App Store. So again, this is the URL. Again, it's a bit of a mouthful, and again, it will be as a link in the video description just under this video. So Google Slides, we can get it for the iPhone. There's iPad and Mac, depending on what platform you are, but you have those options right there on the Apple App Store. And then finally, again, this is the Google Play Store. Again, we will include the URL as a link just below the video in the video description. You can install directly from here, Google Slides, directly from the Google Play Store. So pick your poison, pick your platform. This is how you download Google Slides. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.